No. He's whole and well and perfect in his unitary being. And so, God's love is a holy, righteous love. And it's a just love. So because he crushed Christ, because he crushed Christ on the cross, dumping all of his wrath upon Christ, God the Son. Because only God, an infinite being, could withstand the infinite wrath of God. It's not like God the Son used his deity to shield him from the wrath of God. No. God the Son's deity upheld his humanity so that he could suffer the full onslaught of God's holy, righteous, infinite wrath in our stead. A lot of people look at the cross and they think, well, yeah, that was God, so of course he could handle it. Well, Christ, in his humanity, being upheld by his divinity, drank in the full wrath of God in our behalf. Drank it down to the last drop.